What's the meaning of asymmetry? Asymmetry. Asymmetry.
Asymmetry. Asymmetry. Asymmetry refers to a lack of symmetry or balance between two or more things. It is often used in reference to physical or mathematical concepts, such as shapes or equations that are unbalanced or uneven. In other contexts, asymmetry may refer to the uneven distribution of power or resources between different groups or individuals. The result of asymmetry can be a lack of harmony or stability, leading to problems such as instability, inefficiency, or conflict. Conversely, asymmetry can also lead to innovation and creativity when used strategically.